Bino kuswera kala tikiroho
Right now,
because of the support system.
right now the supporting system is there. Yabazaidi.
Teroho. Basajja teroho erinka.
Maybe teroho mwanyu kuno.
No. Iwo karawoso.
Kani nyikara
akuyambate mu support system ye.
Abasajja.
Together system hali the education, the white man through the church and education akaletereza Africans to suffer. Tinkujuma church, tinkujuma masomero. But tukubaza ntinga masomero ne kanisa muhindule menyegesa yani.
Omanya baki wa social institutions ezo.
It was a political move to colonize Africa. What akimanyire.
Abaki bagayesere.
Abasajja.
Yadogeze Kampala okusanga abasigaza abasoire they are successful motokezi bakuvuga za amani ama business gaina ga amani betu basigaze bato no lakini kali no sanga omusajja omukuru tayina na mukazi wewe kuswera kutinira kimagare
kana tujwaye muna bati tujwaye abasajja bakuru bora bwini mwaka 85 otagaruka mu bara
Abasajja.
Nkyo ngambike kuswero inakuwa swiri wetegekere naye we inorire de ogambe ati sazi no swiri ya myaka yange nukwesobola nikyo ngambire gono
It's not about being greedy. Kuswera is not about being greedy. What was a point I said?
No.
Okimanyire ali abasajja.
Kuswera is about being ready. Tosa kuswera utalire de okibwire mu
being ready. Okumesa kuba innocent. Obufumbo bukakule.
Okuwota kwenu.
No.
Abasajja.
Basajja basima na bisanga basajja iteka nizene ipo abasajja bonka kandi bulti kantu bagamba abantu otafera yoko n'ensonga yawe ije okoleki ije akitara TV okole program yabase tukwetaaga bunyoro abantu abakutegereza abantu abakubaza ebintu ebiri baito kimanyire joeri alaya gambia katubihirwa baito the good thing bisanga basajja abantu bikala ntubagame ensonga ezitubazawo zikwata mutima muno nabwaki omutima mucheke video yenu iwe subscribing omutima gujagumirayo yes basajja basima aka Amulani Junior tumusime honorable ngenda bakoe kikaro nankali kile kio musajja waita muchwezo
Amina sara zao zijakora
abasigazi abandi tibakwenda kuswera abandi bakwenda kuswera so ateka nzenu kugonza tubaze apo akiyo umuntu aina kuswera ka urunda bako umuntu ataina koraki kuswera ka tugiye mitwena abo ko umuntu aina kuswera ka urunda bakataina kuswera ka bagamba nambali kirungi kiba nekibi
akireke kusinga obulungi
kuswera ka oli ne kwajja kugamba nyoko gambe
arona ajja kugamba kuswera tinkwenda
ati wala saidiki
aigyo ndo madomo tukubaza nezi
iyo wala saidiki
nyo kuswera kala buli muntu abana umutima gwaine kyakuwe aronyo kuba nenda kuswera kala
abwaki
arori kuba na ganyo nja kusayine myaka 3 arori kuba na ganyo nenda kuswera nyine myaka 2 myaka ya 18 kuba nenda kuswera
ati niyo tukwena kumanyi umuntu kuswera
ati eira buli bitabe bonyonyi ne myaka yengo nda kuswerera it was a must
no soya myaka enga
omujo kiabaga kalita itabeteka but it was I think a policy. It was not a mandate into nokuswerera but it was a policy at least by 25 kwenda kutandikira amaka
25 emyaka yeira
omujo wagukuzire
awokuba yali myaka 10 na mukaga 17 wakegaga kuhiga kandi okasobora kuombeka akaju bakubaraga nko omusajja
so you are bakwikizaga kuswera
hata omuntu owaleetaga yabagaina kuba bakiraga kubaleetera abaisiki b'emyaka nka 14 aho baiti juke emyaka 14 tugirolera saa zino nkekuzira awe kigambo ky'omujongo bakita batakiri mu jongo defilement but yo muntu w'emyaka 14 God has already shown you that akusokuzara omuntu ondi cycles ezo
iwe atina butukuba ntukurora atinko myaka yeira otugwa tugenzo mu mahanga garagandi nka Rome Egypt omyaka yeira omwana w'obisikia swera gaine myaka 14 kandi kiri mu culture yabo kandi omwojo yaswera gali myaka zabagaye 17 18 ogenda okuba abaisiki tibayenda gawe isiko wiro okukolera azigati amyaka ege 14 babasotingirira ono bamufuniye bagambire yo ibawawe ngugo nikyo kimunabo ojo nikyo kusanga ati eyirabuli nti waganora nti tutakafunire development ene twenda kuombeka amajama runge nkagano abawo obujugo obunyansa aro na activities gamba nko kuhiga mukuhiga oko niko waraga nti ngo abante irabuli baswera go wasanga baswira ale age no sanga omusigazi aina emyaka 14 15 aina omuyise kimu kajukaya
sajja mpungu bwe tukakibaza twagamba wire hati abakabantu batakwenda kuswera kale
sasa na abantu
abo kuba okuja kusanga hatiwe bisa basajja mpungu
yes
na bisajja asima aboso bakababinga yo wabo bagamba nayo gino tandikeke
olundi bakafuruka
ati no wesa irabuli bagambaga basajja mpungu tukwairo hali akataka yombeka hakajo
hadi wabo
ahali wabo tandikira awo
yes
baito hati toina kukutandikira
toine
okay tegereza so ni kiyamba society nikyo kandi ngamba buli kwe supportinga okwesanga oli wenka naye oli wenka olatandikira nka
community system mugibreak
mugichwire mujunguki yalesere kyagamba divide and rule oina kuba wenka nona be wenka niko muteteraniza mukakole kintu kyamagezi
by the way ensonga wakina abantu beyiraho baswera
dena izire no kusoma okusanga omuntu akumara akwenda asome akole bachelors amale bachelors agenda masters amale masters akole phd
ni watekereza kusoma
akuwa kana era bitekereza kariya
anani kutekereza kariya kumara miaka 3
agenda kumara aine miaka 3 hadi miaka 3 atandikire okuswera process ya relationship rwendo gimanyire you can date even 10 people
you can
atali mgongo ndakora that means the process yo kudatinga na 3 hikumaisa agenda kumara kudatinga aine miaka 8 tumbalire miaka 10 yo kudatinga kutoza butoza
ego
aja kusanga bijambo kabigwaje butogwaje burabiyo kabige
afanye mtaja nyomo bamukimuye
basajja mpungu kimanyire ati nka mutayo wayitoni kyabalizoho irabuli bokwana oranta wake namba yabantu abasuraga yabaga nyingi akabaona independence nyingi omuntu obugabuli na bwingi nikyo ko ati irabuli abasigazi tibakiraga no kuyama na abazere babo kasawaki agyo myaka 14 ogenda iguru bakwaga kata ko irabuli ne itaka uli abaga for free tibawaga bine byo kusasura nibagamba yo kuyombeka akajuka aho hari akobunyansi no ba independent niyo onwe nikyo ko atsende kandi ne irabura kabataro izibeta social institutions ze shaping norms and values abantu nka amasomero counseling sections zezo zikaba zitaro wiro nikyo ko ubwaye bwo kusoyera no wingi bwo kusoyera iraburi bwa wingi compare to today
ni manya kandi iraburi nibo byabayiroho muno
no
habokuba alezo ngitwa wetu bazahawo ya omujongo byayizire yaleta an English term called informal education for Africans but kan tugenze kurora ntingu informal education is the most formal education ekinde kibakwegesa muka that is your life kibakwegesa somero it is more of a reality okwega harusenene tino waruchwana munda no nemingaga part says wakati twarago wile kurucho
no what school teaches us teaches us dreams
dreams and fantasy
doesn't teach us life but what we're going to teaches us dreams that when you pass you'll be successful when you get good grades you'll get a good job
bisanga bazaja kusekesa omuntu akakaguza habwaki omwana aina kuba nabakazi baingi like omuntu namugamba issue eroho is ebirimuka tibikwatagana na nambala abana bakusiba most of the times abana baba influenced na abazaire babo than teachers omulingo nyimutekereza actually omwana aba inspired muno abo abazaire be n'abaana bakukana omukka it is natural ntingu omwana walwana obyabana na mama waye mu kitabu kimu the next day kweta taata kado tamugambire banyeta taata omwana bakonka automatically akweta mama batamugambire mama exactly so nyamugamba ali ebintu ebimu ebita practical both at school and at home nkunaaba engalo muka bakugamba ikara hansi otabaza naaba engalo oli oteekaine amaizi oganywa mazire kulya tiniko hasomero nikyo kimu batugambire naaba engalo ikara oteekane otabaza n'olya something like that but alekinde kikuba kitakusoboka how isenkuru nyowe akabana bakazi mukanga noni naisenyowe hati nyowe how can I be able to fight that ndazorozera abakazi mukaga bano ne bayitangana but at school mukutwegesa bano mukazi nyowe nyagamba senyowe kabaina abakazi mukaga kandalozire bulemu actually the more the wives maybe the more the children something like that kale kita impacting ile negatively so okula ntingu biko bitakolaki bitakwatagana
so kyo kulenga ogamba okay what's the argument abantu baswere kala or bataswere kala
argument haneli it is not even an argument
okay
abantu in brief isiswera kala why people want to get away with suffering this is part of life okutekereza botabone hati ndingo maiso the future is going to do what
there is no guarantee you can keep suffering until you die
kiana kiawe kirone gami banyo tintesa maju there are some things I era amulani nja kweta but why do I need to have it
amukoro gwa
amukoro kuswera nja kweta but sinkuteza mukazi maju ni mteka muki ekioma
yes mimi babateka umuntu kubukinga
kwa engagement I'm not tinkuteza maju
anti society tugambire wokuzara karogena kubona awana togenda barole
adikirandikire musomero ntingu the moment you get pregnant we chase you out of school and you will be a failure hati botungirenda waruga musomero no muzaire kandi nakwesamba na ikaraga nakujuma nagamba ngakutwara osome wakoraki wagenda kutwalenda bata bintu bine bibiri tibikwataga nakuzara no kusoma you can actually be pregnant at 16 18 20 30 nogenda nokoraki nosomaga ya the senior one ya the degree tulozira abantu bakuru nayo abagenda kora kuyombe school it is an industry factory iyo it doesn't want the timeline to stop eyo kutucha products so buba kutungamo mwana nkobo bayina
akuba anomaly
bakumwana
product sisikaye
malfunction idea mo etawalemeza kora sije wakagamba abana abisomero kitaliti bakoraki batunga amata yes exactly ntingapo tibalinda abana bayi
because the school has to protect ibara yayi
adi kigaruka yo hali nyakugamba society has evolved turugire ha cyuka ntugamba we have left our culture
the real responsibility
twaja culture ya bajungu ndaba batakwenda kikiriza but it's true twaja culture ya bajungu na religion ya bajungu ati okusanga olinaga because what the downside of nikyo kandi ngamba buli kuzaro kuzire nakyo tikiri kirungi
gama nikyo kisinga yobubi
oja kwesanga you have a lot of very get stress ketegeza or you oja kwesanga you have a lot of work to do in your okuzire then you way okozere no kyainaki
oli muto
oina amani
yes
kana nikachure kiro
bosa kubihizo ndagambira okere okiro kolera actually bizanga bazaija abana ni bali bonki ha miezi 8
that's why nikyo kusanga
mbirolaga
nikyo kusanga tu abantu bakufa muno at early age untimely death oli naba aina mugeta stress na baki fatigue wiki ane bimutalibanza akuvuga kwesanga atumeire so ekintu I think the system has to change. The school has given us so much hope in the future than in the now. Inti woko funile sente, now it's okay for you to do what?
No, you marry, you what?
What's the kurungi? Niboliye kurungi.
But no, you what the other old years of you know you eat by eating poorly
Aha.
olakihimba buli kiro
ati is the breed ya motivational speakers
propagandist mpaka ne ba
Those are propagandists. They motivate you na
you
no
have
raw
to
material.
work ni wakumotivate ngano gamba wekwanta kozere wala yigulu linde mere okiyetegereza
Why don't tukabagamba it's not about working hard. You could actually be suffering thinking that is
you are
what-
working
hard working. Yes.
Eh,
Kyo tugamba abantu otanga kuswera hati ndingu toina sente. Because there is no guarantee that in the
you will
future
get money
oja kubona sente hizo.
okiyetegereza
Yes.
and there is no guarantee to olazarakara ogenda kubona abuda
Exactly.
okiyetegereza and there is no guarantee olazarakara ogenda gaigahara so
We have to work the system.
we have to work the system.
The system says at 14 years a boy is wet dreaming. Kikumaisa kozireki akuzire. The system is saying at 14 omwisika agenda mu mwezi gw'okukozireki.
And okulwa why marriage these days is a problem. Support system bakagichwaho. Nikyo kani kugambira buli era buli basajja mpungu bakuyoga kataka kano bagamba. Sajja mpungu yombeka no yombe.
Ate schools have got that.
Ate okuswera ahana kubalo wa sister bawe nyoka aroho ne wasa kuyamba ko mukazi wawe. Okyetegereza nebintu ebimu ebyo system bamuheza support. Kyetegereza okusanga nikyo njya kugambira biro bino mukwecho wano osanga omwene wanyu ali kuli naye uli kuli naye kuli bitko mweteranize muri hamu nk'abahindi okyetegereza je mwese mugenda kuli ekikulu nikyo kimu
But kandi
baitiwe oyina
to cut the whole story short. Ali ebirungi bingi muno ebyokuswera kala kugira ebibi.
disadvantages
Advantages okuswera oli muto nize nyingi muno than actually kuswera kozireki.
Kinkera.
Okuzira. Alekintu omulingo ite tuswera abanyoro. Tukore kinde kiweta planned marriage. Omujungu byazire yagita forced marriage. But there was never a forced marriage nka bonyoro hano. Bine byokusweza ne bagamba ati nkayo
Bakukomera mu kuswera.
That is called a planned marriage. Kikusana nkayo wotandika business, you already know who to sell to. So it is normal. Namasomero gane church, they know who to. Hati nkono rule kintu kino. Kankibaze baito ninki wewe tampora mpora. Hamikoro y'abanyadini kuijo wawe. Oinakuwa mukitiki kusika abanyadini abakira yo aiguru.
inakuwa innocent.
You see? So that is called planned prayers. Toja kumana galeta bishop mukatukawe. You get the point. So you are planned marriage. Hate umuntu sanga planned marriage. One aliho ebintu naturally bitali misai yabasaija. Birimu bakusobikora but BK ya working time. Omusajja nakyali muto ayetaga akole. Hati kandi wagaruka mukogya kwepa kulichumbira. Time is good. Let me give you an example. Kuchumba kutwale saa 3. Only dedicated na kuchumba. You can't work. Hati kulia ni kutwale dakika ina. Ebintu bibiza abasaija. Because abazalem esazange 3 ziki. I would be somewhere. So bunkuba nyina omukazi muka I go work and sindikire
Ati ebintu ebyo byogamba bikustressing ngo kuchumba mbaka yayo kusigazi kogengo yuko gebintu. Kira kuswera tanereji. No kira gamba tinyi na yo akyalo tinayo mutayo gengo yo mukazi tumayegi.
It doesn't work that way. Relationships are based on security. Otherwise buli musajja yandikozerega atyo. Buli musajja yandikozerega sente.
Oli kyakupanyisa. Kintu kile kiti. System ekachweka. There is someone who's meant to do those things
for you.
Iyo manyine nsonga bwakaba kawaida. Iyo manya wakomu omuntu nyekyaka
ekachweka. Aro musajja akagamba.
They took advantage of the broken system.
Why?
Muhatayizira abahuru katu nyoka nyugiye genja kutunga. Already sagate. Gendo kabivuga myango ogeze kumisa. Oja nemikono neja kunanga.
Those are mobile entrepreneurs bo sporting and opportunity. Baba wenye pako taina mukazi bajya kujya kukonema nyine pako wiki ina tikamwe nayo.
System. Marriage.
How things are supposed to be done.
The system was broken.
We are talking about ekinunka hawaki abantu nibafa baine miaka 5. Buli bafaga baine miaka 15.
So
Kintu yakwesanga orundi fertilizers zinze zikora ki? ezikuta abantu.
stress yokwogera ngoyo kuchuma
No, like just I'm giving you an example. I'll let me tell you really behind some things. Hatuno sanga marriages zino, when you marry at a younger age, okatunga omuntu akumanya kyo, not love, but akumanya omuntu wenda inywe na babiri.
No, I suppose kole ki supposed kolebwa.
Exactly.
In that system.
Akuwa manye kya inakola. So you'll find nti abasigaza abo toso musanga mu myaka 10. Aina support system nyamani kuno muka. No mukazi the same thing. But omukazi omuswahili nawe akwetaga kandi abenka yiwe. Actually akwenda abe times 2. Nawe agaruke mukalet. Otamugambao atere simu ze kilo. Nawe amena sente boy. Advantage ero hanizi. Aloho bomuteraniza amaka babiri Bible mulenge tugamba nambala babiri bayizire bakola amaka bafoka muntu omu. So yisanga effort yibeta synergy eri ya amani muno.
Ne Bible system ekagichwa. It was taking advantage of it. Okay, tegereza.
The whole very valid.
No, the whole system. Nkakugamba church was marriage. Kirikiti can't sorry it. Church ikawetari mu marriage until the 1500s. Where they
church was a tax collection center for the kingdom.
So they took advantage of a unity in the 1500s. Bagamba, hey, this is how the unity of a family works. Why can't we? Since a unit of a family was strong, they took advantage of it. Bagamba for us to sabateraniza mu ruga yokuli omusajja n'omukazi osigale oli wenka. Kyetegeza. By high system many kugambira. That's why you think nikyo kule bintu bizibu. Kyacha kugamba rugayo waso. Naye rugayo waso muje mwetanize mube hamu. So ati mwetanize muri hamu. You are one thing, you are two people fighting the other system. Okwenda mbe ebintu bingi byentali naye okwenda olabe ebintu bingi byatali. Ajakwenda gamba
mbese nkuru nyowe.
Okay, tegereza. Oja kwenda kutalika kunyumya nyoti nja kunyumya nayo. Maybe una okagira asen. Maybe mukazi tali wa asen. So ati mugenda kunyumya yake. Conflict. Ati oja kusanga yo kanga na kabara mbe na ba na babasajja mpungu tutero olwale. Mukazi ngamba ati no agenzere mu kwenda andekere nyeka ali mukanka wenka. Ukitegereza. So now ni how system yachuekeire. The whole system was you be in a community. Abanakano bakira kirora.
Ona tugambira advantage zazo.
Wogenda kala moja olora bweta homesteads.
Yes.
No sanga ka compound kali mu bujo bwi. But they are all related.
Yes.
No genda handi. Kali bakomani yes. Niko system yabaye. Bamanye tugenda kwiga embogo homestead yo negenda kikora.
Giga kandi
giriye gigobora. Okay, take it. So the whole system was broken. Then you came to feminists. Mo Eren ebintu ya bisisira kimu.
Abo nababo.
So nikyo ngambire ite nkabasajja tugenda nikyo ngambire tunakola symposiums. We start indoctrinating abana bato. Abajongo kibakozere. They indoctrinated us in that ebintu bya tubisomanka mu masomero. Ati naito kitu inakora tunakufuna abana abato emyaka 3 twandike basomesa. How does a woman behave? How does a man behave? What is marriage? What is not marriage? So that we indoctrinate that bagenda kwiki emyaka tuba training ile emyaka 2 abana bato by the time bakura ne bagenda kuja mu society. No sanga have taken up ebintu ebyo trying to wegesa system trying to building, but it will take us like 300 years because we have been studying the system ya majongo almost 200 years. Kawali ngafira ile miaka inga nyingi yes 10 that means we have been studying the system for all that time. That means it will take us 300 years
to get it
to bury it. Ati inyo tugenda begesa timugenda kuhinduka mulemerwa
bado bagurubire
none rwazo turakugamba
yadoka bego indrive
togenda kulihindura ati inyo tubalikire we know by nature you're going to fade away
kandi ubusuma butali
because you are stressed Ebiku bayita bingi.
Ebikuita abantu babiro
Bingi muno.
Obulaga isimu eyatikire
gamba okukola gola aterera gwe mu kyogero. Obo tumanyo gagenze. So ne tusigaze emitere. We train it. Okay, asekera so inyo tubaleke.
We are not going to fight you. We are
not going to fight the system. We are going to work it.
Niwe ebintu ebimu atinko okuswera kala myaka y'abasigazi. Kina advantage na disadvantages. Of which atisazi nitukola advantages ya. Atinko okuswera myaka ento ijuka kirinko genda a training kukutegekera byomaiso byawe. Either saa kazi natiba ku recruiting abama bakubatekero wiro bo maiso bo entare zira igezo mube trend kurunga
kandi bakutwara abato
nyo kugambira bakagurukire inyo mugurubire muinamo already wingi musakuba a problem in the system
kuswera myaka yetu nikyo kimni tukulibati mu context yonti umubongo bwawo nkayi wo musigazi bingi byokuba no ukura mentally and physically nti challenge nyingi zo kusanga jukati kuswera no kyali muto ali mu challenge zo kusanga tikirinto bana babiri byangu wetu kan challenge zo inakuwega kuziguruka challenge nerete ngigurukire entangi overcoming renta so eke kintu kiyamba nikyo kula tena abasigaza bakusinga obwenga abasoire kala na relationships zabe zikusinga obwingi zigumire saazin I think aba bahanga ile muno kabasajja mpungu relationship ya yehanga ile mu akasira na kyali bingi byasangire mu bingi byabwe ine matisazi na karoraro rayi takiye tokene kiki amugamba mu relationship akwaka kitandika ka so ntekende ki kugumya omuto bwongo bwawe kigumya naki no mubiri gwawo physical kandi no kuswera no mukyali muto nti kikuhana obwire bwo kutekereza otekereza otanswire kara ijukata abama abantu batahamba fumbo bakyali bato abo baba group influence timanyira abasinga kutomera mbona akaswire nanyoka answe ni bagendo gera kura zaire no kuzara taina na sente zijja kurolera abana ogera kurora abana no mukazi abalekere mu njayiro kiri abo nsonga akagenda kuswera atategekera wo group influence bwa kwa munywanonga kaswera kandi bibire munywani wawe sajja mbungu alina akasente kayi
atona kigarurire hasente
kigarukire actually was that abantu bazanye ibintu bisatu eyokulisa eyokulima no kuhesa nzingu kuba twende kyakole emirimu egyo you do not be running away from your family because of food wakomogo kwani werenka
amogo buli omusiri
exactly so abazaire ekitugamba is abazaire bakwenda gweta bafire but in reality tukwenda bagwete because now child boy kila level you feel like you're no longer interested mu bintu byabazaire bawo but omuzaire alina kutera support system
aina kutera entandi so that you don't start your life on an independent life
ekitugeza okugamba hano ono ebinyoka kikugambi it is not a must to suffer and suffering kubonabona tikiri kintu kyokwenyumiriza abanyolwenzi banimba gamba it is not an achievement
suffering is not an achievement
ono kuswera kutayize mu sente agambire abasigaza mba kuswaga because of atatekekanize hasente
yes
nyakugamba kigarukireyo hali ono kyalina gamba there is no support system nikyo kukola biro binu kuswera kala tikiroho
right now
because of the support system.
Right now the supporting system is there. Ya bazaide.
Tero.
Basajja tero erinka.
Maybe tero mwanyu kuno.
No.
Iwe karawoso.
Kani nyekara.
Akuyamba te mu support system yi.
Akuyamba.
Ata tugambira tuli
halo kwa financial down no teyawe no gamuze ndi kubike na kino na
acha we
that way
but for you okwendo tani ko bomezi bokuswera nikyo ngapeke kuswera inakuwa sweri wetegekede nayi we inorire de ogambi ati sazi no sweri amyaka yange no kwesobola nikyo ngambire gono
it's not about being ready kuswera is not about being ready what was a point na say no okimanyire ali abasajja
kuswera is about being ready to sababu kuswera utali ready okimwira
okumesa kuba ina say ofumbo bukakule
okubota kwenu
no
nikyo ngake kusoyina kuboli nikyo kugamba redde inamu ebintu bisatu redde inamu kutekereza redde inamu kusalaho kibeta decision redde inaho no kugamba tikino ekintu obanki bazenta obwire buti buno nokukola timetable ya ekintu kino njaki
alabakazi ababoti nga bali bato namala genda kutandikira kufuuka redde kuzaala ne bamugamba mawulire gakakola kandi abayingi tugenda mugindi ali omusikisazi n'okutunga ajja kugamba ati so kuzaala myaka 2 at least myaka 26 there is no guarantee ojja kuzaala myaka 2
nikyo kurora nikyo kugambye geomanya wakibana abantu abajja bakukonkona abakazani we basajja mpungu ndiyo anu nkogengo
the system was corrupted nje tugambye
tukiala system hali the education the white man through the church and education akaletereza Africans to suffer tinkujuma church tinkujuma masomero but tukubaza ntinga masomero ne kanisa muhindule menyegesa yani
omanya baki wale social institutions zezo
it was a political move to colonize Africa what akimanyire
abaki bagalesere
church ne wogena mu church ya sabiti osanga bagamba we basigazi musoke mwetekanize mutakasoye
church was and is a tax collection center
and they put for you the myaka yina kuswerera ombo ina kuswera musigazi na kusema
emyaka terongo nikyo ngambire tukubaza differences ezo kuswera uli na hati nyakugamba hati it's a challenge because the system was broken tukulenga
okuza sasa nogenda kulenga kutoza enkoko okola atinko musa osayimukire gena inde enkoko it is not because he has money okusokusanga zirinka hazigati nabale kyalero we nanka junior irukiaka katu tukakole tukali bwo enkoko what do you do iwa taine enkoko ali mupangisa
oinagigura
and which you don't have
money
exactly
niye tugamba the
support system eyeira na hati ngaje watu nambatu wakulie kulie nyama baitagende anosanga na relatives abaye batali mukialo niwe basindikirake
tokuro
inyama like ni mkure nyama it is part of you just
not a problem
yes
nje tukulenga ogamba
so support system ebayiro kandi kusima una bakitali bara kukata ekyo nyakibaza ndakata kakiwazanga baitu tingwe haisa baita barano gali bukerenge
mwakete yakwaga
bumwa bagani mwenda kulye nyama bumulamuli batito ne hagwe mbuzi ebitaba byaboga aho biri bye
nyoka nsimi na nyoka kusima baita bomukwa mbahemba irabuli o ente zabaoga nyingi muno omwaye yaganke nka abana obenka abayijukuru nugawe tukola kuli ya
ate tukamukwenda abwakendeze zitakiaro
nije tukwenda
abakistakiaro
sasa tikakiaro aba factors
nije kikutemesa kuswera atika kakoleke junior mland kakoleke ensongera okura saa zino kugenda kusoba kusaba ente mukaga za dawat omumungu kutandika kusoroza hano obwibo hano
kukola WhatsApp group
ngo ina ko bara
batati imagininga
endezo
iraho muzini it would be nothing
nakyo mugamba abakendezo mwazi
ninye mwalesere ibintu manyatu kugenda kuswera lete ente mukaga
bikabaho actually mujungu noye yongiyo ntingu wedding day yayongeraho
umuhangwa wayibaga ko ina kuleta ente
akwati introduction na kutwala ente wedding na kutwala ente
bakutwaga something which is reasonable yaboga bare minimum embuzi yanyina mwana habo kugenda kulya kunu embuzi isingati mwana omwana wawo noja kwirukiraga agenda kola kunyegera enkoko yo mukudumi abokwana wako okolima koko nagamba wewe abana abantu nkozireki mbamanyire so I'm trying to show you yaboga basic minimum thing ekita kya
ate wakino saba pressure nikao wakino kensa nakwenda kunywa mata
akwenda amata
kama twende TV
ate ukimaine ninga mugamba agambye bakaba bayinende but if you kept that legacy up to now yokuikaza yete nanye muri baro
nanye muri barizi
but ate ugenzere kusoma graphics ukusoma olekere mukyala sasa ko ino ine amata oswaire no manya njakera nyikyakara ngende kama amata ndeta abana banywe omanyire kuli tukuli okay tegereza
so
ekyo suppose ni went to gamba
ekingeza okoleka abanyoro tulina kwetekereza to making sure however much oli doctor, however much oli tugaruke ha minimum yaite esatu eyabanyoro etahinga kulima kulisa ekibeta kurunda omuganda olundi kuhesa smelting by good chance sazino tulina na minerals ezinde zibazoire buli twatumanye iron but hata alimu na gold, you can smelt gold, alimu nanga aluminium what and what. So abanyoro tugaruke tujja kubona abona okuli bwako bakuchuire ebintu manya atinka mutamusero kimanyira abasigazi bayingi bagi bachuirege hano ekubale eri emillion nkempe
ekole
nibatandika gamba bujjo musorolezi biro bino ezire manya kuchara oko kurura no
kuchara
ogenda okusanga okurura no kugizwa abantu 500 bakuja kola ki
kurura no fale babaga abantu babiri
buli basatu
basatu bana nabana bayino omugola wenyina lo yatakola gwatagenda
nagenda abakuru
something seen
bana okusanga bati lotente mukanga.
The only thing which was there timwina kulya hakurura na
kwaga kulya buli omwana
no kukuhambe aka baketa akogya mumiro
go ahead
just
to inform them of the date
mukwantu baza of course tujja kubaza mumiro hali ati bwakubale nsande
nibakohereza
ni munywa baito ati ba kuchumba rukusano bugenyi ati bulesere that problem elesere stupid generation yegamba nyomonda akabunga nibamanya nairuka naranga kukungumura abana baito tujja kubayiga eze mbuzi za abana zimo kubazara mu jazi basasure mirundaki abo muri mwana wozara bamubaranke embuzi
but tugamba simplicity ye yokuswega ekahuwaho.
By the way, alekinde kibaza yokuswega ekinde kibeta culture and modernity. We may not go back in time, but we can deal with culture in this modern times. For example, twagamba bule akabalo enchobi nezo nemuliramu. Tukisokutaba na nchobi ezo netuziriramu, baitu nosanga at least endiro esigaireyo hameza. Orundi oburo nitulenga omuno kutabura. We find a modern way of kulima oburo. Empaka ezo nitandika kuzijuara amoti hano akiki hano just culture and modernity. Media yetu TikTok unokikora mu runyoro kukira kutatwarwa orujungo rundo Ruganda. Yes.
Nekitu lemesa we don't have identity. Tugira identity.
Identity how?
No identity hiyo kosa kusangule bamweta atuhura John. You don't have identity.
Who are you? What are you?
What are you? But ugenda China.
Amatuhura.
Genda China nja kusanga
osange kumnya China ni bamweta singo machine ha. Tokuiru.
Ngaba kikiro.
Ching.
Okuhunga nabasi. Niyo ngambire people okura abaharaba abaharab they have just of recent they have just tried to integrate modernity into their system. After to keep their culture for a long time. I think abakazi tebavuga motoka just batangiye kubayikiza recent so kuvuga motoka inti tumwina kwesibikira after they have developed their what bite it we
the strength in culture however much modernity
is the same as the Japanese, the Chinese, bite it to heart everything we benchmark on kikuruga from the West. Even the dressing, even the eating, the way of living, the way of education, the style of marriage. Okay, take it easy. We don't have identity.
Kandi tukopa kubi.
Ande kyo benchmarking tukopa kubi. But if you look at those Asian countries, our China, our Japan, our Harabu, their culture is strong in this modern way. Iyo kyo gamba basajja bungambi ekyo kiyasoboka bano tubaleke. The hand of God will work upon them. Ilo sigaze emiti niyo tukoleka. Niyo tuhindule. Bano balemewe. Aho tubaleke the hand of God ejabakora.
Amlani tuna ku university. Bene banyu nabanyanyo ko mutabatwara ku runho kusomera.
Abo
university eri hano
kwa branch. Kwa campus.
Ya Burera.
No. Gulu University.
Gulu University ro.
Nekitugamba
Institution zinka makerena ye.
Tugamba Gulu University.
Ile tula Gulu University tugamba abantu batwala abana bamuka. Gulu University mutatwala abana Gulu. Isente zandiba iza hostel leko mwana arugire muko mugulire motoka. You get? Aka hostel fee mu myaka eno kusokusanga kukalika motoka ke milioni mukago mwana zimuhata andike business. So saving umwana ezandiba ege hotel fee or restaurant fee mtalo kinana buli semester no mutera ogente hande
mbuze
sagenda kubala Gulu University hayi hano nagenda kurugaho agaigahaye sabana bona tubatwale Gulu University
baito basajja kufuna kufuna yekiro kimu tugenda Gulu University
not kule
program ya basajja
so honorable Mola banza tuwe closing words za kuswera tuli batwana tukinga program together
kuswera oli muto ngiri nkakibalize oyina kutekereza ebintu bibiri nswire strategically maison planning lente oba nswire yes nswire nsaziro ntandikire aho akuswera oli muto kandi okaswera buswera ngiri mbalize gaba group influencer kwa mwene oyitu paka akaswera abasajja mpunga akaswera ino mukazi ali successful oja kutomera oja kumalira ofunire ebirwaire stress ofunire ebirwaire financial instability toina sente otange kuterera kandi abanywani wewe ndi kubiti njya kurale
birthday omwana wange
bamana wajya kwikyo maka gumu kule birthday nikiyo ngamba tukuswera ina kuswera wetegekere nikuwa utatanga kutabaniza environment nuguni omayo wikara kaire kona ni kichweka na roho kikaraba kuidamu
basajja mbu ngashene utwe negenda maiso honorable no mining kyamwinire bihabuzo but because of that akuwa ali so inconsistent anyway
tukole part 2
tujakikora maiso
ekimba gamba kuswera yes tuswera ukana nyowe ne wanyonga swera
ati ili tukwenda tubule au tubagambira
kaswera ukwa kasana no kuswera ijuka kikungere ngabaje kikukuza ubwongo kikukuza nentekereza yawe kulira kimu intellectual
there is no guarantee tingo bora swera late
no there is no guarantee bora swera miaka kinana mbuni bora fuka successful narona abantu abaswera miaka into bari successful even kandi ne baba yadogenze
ke zaje mulora ngono hana akaswera zaje
yadogenze ke Kampala okusanga abasigaza abaswera bayingi they are successful motokezi bakuvuga za amani ama business gaina ga amani betu basigaze bato no lakini kandi no sanga omusajja omukuru tayina na mukazi wewe kuswera kutinira kimagare
kana tujwaye muna baje tujwaye abasajja bakuru bora bweni mwaka 85 otagaruka mu bar I am being honest ni jari mu music industry wagenda kukusaidia you mean like why you're supposed to be somewhere else not here you get
eyo topic yekiro ki abasajja bakuru mu bar ko bayitira
mubabingire baba na sente zawo abasigaza abaswire kale nyuma inakuba mukati mbaro kura
atiwe honorable katukangire hano
Kitara TV kwegesa kumanyisa.
Abasajja